Okay, in this video we're going to go over the plugins that are on your sites. So um, there is many plugins, but there's only a few that are used, and a lot of them are not used. But they are there if you want to use them. So um, let's just take a look at let's go ahead and take a look at our site again. And let's go back and let's just start going over our uh, plugins that are on the site. One of the first plugins you see right here is called AdSense Ads. Right now it's not being used, but if you go to AdSense Ads, it's a really cool plugin, and it can be used here. What this does, it builds Amazon ads for you. There are plenty of training videos on this particular plugin that you can look for and just do a Google search for it. And again, it's not being used right now, so I'm just going to show you how to activate the plugin if it's not already activated. So you just want to put in that address and then click on Activate AdSense Ads. Then after you do that, you want to click on Support. And we're just going to check and see if it says inactive. So you just want to click on this blue tab that says Check Account Status, and then that's going to activate the plugin. If it's probably it may be activated on some of your sites already, but if not, that's how you do it. And then you want to go to Settings, and on the Settings page is where you will enter in your Amazon information. Okay. And then you can go to, but if you take a look at the overview, it's going to give you an idea of what to do with the plugin and how to use it. So you can see the kind of ads it builds for you. So just take a look at that. And again, it's not used on this site, but you can use it. So let's drop down. WP Simplicity is used to make these pages. Okay. Also, WP Simplicity, you can get a bunch of plugins from WP Simplicity and activate them on your site. Everything is, the ones that you need are already activated. Okay. WP Turbo we went over in another video. It is used to populate the blog and forum categories. Amazon EMD Plus is a plugin that you can use to find exact match domains. We went over Zone Builder. Backup Buddy can be used to back up your site, and I do recommend backing up your site, but you can also use Backup Creator, which is under Tools. Legal Pages is a plugin that will allow you to make legal pages on your site. Paid downloads is something you probably won't be using. Product Comparison is another Amazon plugin that will build product comparisons for your site, and you can take a look at that. It's not being used right now. Socializer Pro is a traffic getting plugin, and you can just come and take a look at these options, and it's really easy. VideoMate is your one of the video players that's used, and we'll go over that just real quick. You'll see all the videos that have already been added for you, and when you go to VideoMate, you can delete the videos, or you can come in and edit them by clicking on this button. If you want to add a video, you add the video title here, and then click on Add, and then it'll take you to a page where you can put in the YouTube video URL, and it'll allow you to customize the video, and then it'll give you a short code you can put on a poster page. Okay. the performance is your WP total cache, and you want to just go through here, and all you're going to do really is enable caching to make your site run fast. WP Optimize is a plugin that will optimize your site, and I'll show you that real quick. As you can see, this site has 495 post revisions, so we need to empty that. So you can just check mark that. You can check mark this. You don't have any spam comments. You don't have unapproved comments, but you can check on optimized database tables, and this just keeps your site clean and running fast. It's a good plugin to have. Okay, WP Syndicator is an awesome plugin to get traffic. What it does is allows you to syndicate content to a bunch of different places, bookmarking sites and Web 2.0 properties. If you go to WP Syndicator and if you click on Configure, this is where you can configure the site and how it syndicates. Okay. Click on accounts. It's going to take you to a page where you can register all of your accounts. And once you get all of your accounts registered, it will do everything on. You can set it up to do everything on autopilot. So when you post a new product review, you can syndicate that review to all these different sites. I actually use this, and it gets great. It really builds traffic to your site. So I recommend going through here and doing that. Wassup is a statistics plugin. Now, as far as security on your site, there is one plugin that I recommend that you put on your site. So if you go to plugins, if you go to add new, and these are all things, it's giving you reminders that you need to do. The Fast Secure Contact Form, you don't need to mess with that. You do need to do your all-in-one SEO pack though. So, but let's go ahead and take a look at the security plugin. This is a plugin that I use on all my sites and I recommend. So if you just do a search for security, okay, it's Bulletproof Security. So you would just click on install, click on OK, and just activate the plugin. Okay, once you have the plugin activated, it's going to give you a big box up here, and it's going to tell you a little, some information. So, but what we're going to do is we're going to go down to VPS Security and just click on that. Okay, and it'll bring you up this page. Now, I mean, taking a look at it, it looks pretty daunting, but really you don't need to concern yourself with a bunch of this stuff. But I'm going to show you what you need to do. In this area right here, you're going to click on Create, this first button. So just click on that. Then you're going to click on OK. You really don't need to know what it does, but I'm just going to show you what you need to do to protect your site. Then you're going to click on this Create Secure htaccess file. Okay. Okay, once you have those two, you're going to come down to this first box. You're going to check mark or click on, actually, you're going to click on Bulletproof Mode. Click on Activate. Click on OK. Okay, once you have that, you're going to go right down to the next one. Actually, I did that wrong. It's not what we want to do. I'm going to click on Bulletproof Mode. Okay, then we just go down to the next one. Again, I'm not going to explain what each one does because you really don't need to know. I would recommend that you take a look at this stuff and really find out about security. But this is going to get you protected. So then you go to the last one, click on activate. Okay, and at this point, as far as security modes, that's done. What you want to do next is click on backup and restore. Okay, we're going to do a backup of the htaccess files. Backup. Okay, and then we're going to drop down to the bottom here and do another backup of the master file. Okay, once you do that, your site is protected, and it's probably one of the best security measures you can take. So do this, and it will keep your site from being hacked. So if we click on security status, it's going to see that you're going to have greens. If you have something wrong, if something's not activated right, it'll be in red. But as you can see, everything is green, and you are protected. You are under bulletproof mode. Okay, so that will be about it on the plugins. The rest you can just kind of take a look for yourself and do some research if you need to use one of the plugins, and make sure you get this security plugin installed and activated. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later.